Well guys, this is where it all began.
At Lincoln County Airport. I was 23 years old. Started with a birthday card from my parents. It said on the inside of, obviously happy birthday. It said be safe, fly high. I didn't know what it meant. I was like, what do you mean by this? Be safe, fly high. They said we'll pay for your first couple flying lessons. If you like it, you can pursue it. So I did a couple first flying lessons. I took off with it. Went to Aeronautical University in Burrito, and got obviously got my private instrument commercial CFI. I didn't do my double I, but I did my MEI. And but yeah, this is where it all started right here. This is the first plane I ever flew. Cessna 172, 1972, 7237 Quebec, and also known as Bubba.
Anyway, so this is where I came. I had to take flying lessons. I'd originally gone to a different flight school, but the instructor and I didn't really hit things off very well. So I came up here to Lincolnton. Somebody said, ask for this one lady instructor, but she was too busy, so they decided to put me with this guy named Eric. Well, I expected some old dude, but yeah, this hot guy walked in. So yeah, started flying, taking lessons here on Bubba. And funny little fact, so the tail number is 7237 Quebec. Well, every time I called out the tail number, I would say 7237 flying downwind for runway 23. Eric would reach over to the numbers written on the dash and be like, Quebec. Always forgot the Quebec. So
this is where it all
Bubba
began.
will always have a special place in our heart.
This is where we met.
Well, I thought this would be my first day of flying lessons. Turns out it'd be the first day of the rest of my life.